Have you ever been confused by the term implied volatility while trading in options? It is a word that seems to be little complex at first, but don't worry, by end of this video you will have a clear understanding about IV and also why it plays a key role in determining option prices. Imagine you are a trader and you have been following some stocks for weeks. Now you have got a stock that is going to make a big move, but you are not sure whether it is going to go up or down. But when you go and check the option prices, it seems to be high. Why this is happening? What causing the spike in the prices? The answer is implied volatility. To get the clear understanding without any further delay, let's get into the video. Before getting into how IV affects the option pricing, let's break down exactly what it is. IV is a number that reflects the market expectation of how much the price of a stock is going to move forward in the future. When you look at option pricing, you will notice the options with higher IV, which tend to have higher premiums. Why? Because the market expects the bigger movements and the option seller is now taking more risk. Let's say you are a trader and you have been looking into a popular stock. Recently, this stock is giving a crazy ups and downs, and now you have seen some news that the company is going to launch a product by next month. You believe the stock is going to give a higher movement either on upside or downside. You think this is the right time to buy either call option or put option. But when you check the price of an option, it seems even more higher. The market is anticipating that the product launch of that stock will create a huge movement. Even though you are unsure about the price movement that will go either in upside or downside, still the potential of volatility is high, and that drives the prices of an options. Option pricing is determined by a model called Black-Scholes model, which takes into consideration several factors. The first one, stock price, the current price of the underlying asset. The second one is strike price, the price at which the option holder can either buy or sell the stock. Third point, time to expire, the amount of time until the option expires. Point number 4, risk-free interest rate, the returns on the risk-free asset like government bonds. Point number 5, IV, the predicted volatility of the stock over the life of an option. IV is the crucial input in this model. When IV increases, it raises the time value. Higher the IV, higher the option price. This means for a call and put option, when IV rises, the price of an option will also rise. This is because there is a chances of stock prices getting hit to the strike prices because there will be huge movement in the market. For option sellers, they are at the risk when IV rises. IV is a tricky concept to grab, but you understand it gives you massive edge in your options trading. Remember, it is not about predicting where the stock will go. It is all about understanding how much the market will give a move. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned trader, knowing IV will help you to make a smart decisions. Hope this videos find useful for you. For more such videos and updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Happy trading!
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.